Stop! 90% of people lose money in crypto. But what if I told you $1,000 could turn into $10,000 if you invested the right way? Let's break it down in 30 seconds. First, your money goes into Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are the safest bets in crypto with proven long-term growth. $400 in Bitcoin and in $200 in Ethereum. If you held these 5 years ago, you'll be 500% or more up. Don't sleep on them. Next, 25% of your portfolio goes into high-growth altcoins. Think Solana, Avalanche, Polygon, and Arbitrum. These are the future DeFi, gaming, and Web3. These cryptos have exploded 10 times and even 100 times before, and the next bull run could be huge. Now, for the biggest potential gains, put 15% into high-risk, high-reward plays like Injective, Chainlink, and Aptos. These coins could be 5 times or 10 times more, but be smart. Never go all in. Diversify to win. Last step, hold, stake, and take profit smartly. The key to winning in crypto is patience and strategy. If you do this, and $1,000 could be worth $10,000 in the next bull run, but you gotta stay in the game. Comment, like, and share if you are in for the challenge.